Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's channel we will be doing a face painting of Krishna. Let us get started. So for the face painting I have transferred the colors white, red and brown to begin with. After tracing the design on the fabric, draw the outline with red, the eyes, the upper eyelid, the eyeball, everything, the features on the face. Then paint the entire face with first coat of white. Now the first coat has been given. We will proceed with the second step. Paint the eyebrows with brown. Already we have painted it with red. On top of that, paint it with brown. Next, fill the eyeball with brown. Load the brush with red color. Let us paint the mouth, the upper lip and the lower lip. The upper lip will be always darker in shade than the lower lip. Wash the brush. Take diluted crimson red in the brush. Apply for the lower lip. Now using a flat brush, let's paint the top portion, the forehead of Krishna with white again. Now before this white dries, load the brush with crimson. Shade it off as light as possible. Same way, little above the eyebrows also. Now again load the brush with white. Under the eyebrow, a little above the eyes, apply white. Now here also, before the white dries, we have to shade it off with crimson red. Now let's mark the nose, the outline for the nose with crimson red. Load the brush with white color. Apply on the cheeks. Load it with little crimson at the sides of the nose and little down below the lower eyelid. Load the brush with white. Apply on the nose. Now here on the chin, load the brush with little crimson. Load the brush with black color. Apply it on the eyebrow. Before the black dries, take little white in the brush. Just blend it. The same grey color, black and white mixed. Apply over here. When you are drawing the hair on the face, load the brush with grey color. Keep it flat on the palette. Open the brush. Make it fan shaped. And then draw tiny hairy portions. So on the white you will use black color for the hairs, tiny hairs, and on the black it will be grey color. Load the brush with black, paint the upper eyelid. Draw the outline of the eyeball. Make a crescent shaped on the eyeball. Fill the upper portion with black. First give a lighter shade of crimson. Once this is dry, start placing white dots to give the pearl effect. Place gold dots at the sides. Now around each and every stone let us keep white dots also to enhance the picture. So friends, we have completed the painting of Krishna on a fabric. This is a Tanjore style of work. Hope you all enjoy the tutorial. Keep trying, share your comments, like, share and subscribe my channel also. Thank you for watching this wonderful session of Tanjore painting on fabric. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.